So now let us see what material we need to make the beautiful kite decoration. First and the foremost, we need any cardboard. Here I have taken a cardboard of 8 inch by 8 inch, 2 pieces, and I am going to fix them together. Then to make the tail of the kite, we'll be using a 10 cm by 10 cm by 14 cm, 2 triangle pieces. We need the tape. Then you can take any white glue or fabric glue. We will be using acrylic colors. You can take few colors of your choice. Here I have taken these colors. We need some mirrors and we need the white and the golden 3D liners. So let us start. We will also be creating a texture paste so that we can create a smooth base on the card. So let us get started. Now as a first step, first just stick your 2 cardboard pieces together really well using any white glue, fabric glue or Fevicol or any glue that is available with you. Now before we go ahead, I am going to cover my edges. To cover my edges, I am using this tape. This is available easily at any hardware store. So just cover the edges to create a smoother edge. This is basically a masking tape. So it is going to hold the edges together and the edges are going to look smooth. In the same way, I'm going to cover it from all 4. So this makes the body of the kite. Let us now stick the tail. First, we are going to stick the tail together. Now cover the edges of this also using your masking tape. Now once you've covered your edges really well, just stick this onto the base. Now I'm going to let this stick well. Now we are going to make a little bit of texture paste. For making the texture paste, add little quantity of Fevicol. Here I'm taking Fevicol MR. You can take any Fevicol that is available with you. Approximately 2 spoons of Fevicol. Just add few drops of water to this. Mix it well. You can add little more Fevicol now. Again approximately 2 more spoons. Now once your Fevicol and water are mixed up, I am taking chalk powder. Approximately 2 spoons initially we are going to mix up. So that's it. We don't need any more chalk powder. Texture paste for the base is ready. Just take and apply it well right from the edges, covering the complete surface of the kite. So just cover the entire base of the kite as well as the tail, and once this is dried, I'm going to cover it from the back side also. So now the texture paint has completely dried up. Let us now first create our diagram in pencil. So all around we are going to create a 2 centimeter thick border like this. So this way, create a 2 centimeter border on all sides. So basically a circular arc here. In the same way, a circular arc here. In this arc, we are going to give different kinds of mirrors later on. Right now, divide this. And I'm dividing it into parts like this. In the tail of the kite, also create 2 centimeter line like this. Now we are going to put different acrylic colors. First we are going to do different coats of acrylic colors to create a colorful and a vibrant festive kite. For that, first let us do the outer color. For the outer color here, I am using a shade of my red. See, this is a crimson red. Now our red color has dried up. Here I am going to use my green color. This is a jade green color. Now you can do different color combinations of your choice. Here we are going to be creating the Jodhpuri style here in the kite. Here now next that I am taking is the orange color. Now I am using my yellow color. I am going to be using my yellow color here. Now let us start coloring the lower parts. So for this I am taking an ultramarine blue. Now here I am using my dark green. Now let this colors dry up and then we are going to do beautiful designing onto it. So now the colors have dried up. We will take our 3D outliners, golden and white in color.
Now this way you can make any pattern of your choice here. So I have made this pattern for the tail. This way I have done my corner for the kite. Now we are going to start from here. First we are going to do our internal pattern. These tube colors take a long while to dry up, so be very careful. So here I have made paisleys. Though these paisleys are very lightly visible, we are going to do the golden is not visible much on the camera, but if you look from closer by, it is looking pretty nice. So here we have finished these 4 parts below. Let us finish the upper parts also before we do the corners. Now before we go ahead, I'm going to attach my mirrors in this part. I'm taking my fabric glue. Fabric glue will hold the mirrors easily. Now we are going to attach crystals or mirrors here also in this part. So now let this dry completely, and then I will show you how we will be able to hang it.
So now my kite has dried completely. I'm going to turn it around. I have painted the backside red. You can paint any color of your choice. I have taken a normal thread and I have converted it into a choti like this. See? Now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just fix it here. Now to make my kite a little more decorative, I have taken this gota patti. It is completely your choice whether you want to decorate it or you don't. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it from the back side using my glue. So it's going to become more dressy and ethnic. And I'll cut off the extra gota patti later. Now I'll just let it dry completely and I'll show you how it looks. Now to secure my kite, I'm going to do a spray of lacquer paint, but be careful to cover the mirrors before you do. Now my beautiful kite hanging is ready with the cute pom-poms. Let me hang it onto the wall and let me hang it and show you how it looks now. So our super beautiful ethnic kite hanging is ready. Do create your own and share with us and let us know how you liked this Rajasthani style of ethnic kite painting.